everyone, welcome to our next lesson. Today we're going to be looking at quadratics and how the TI-nspire can help you. So if we are looking at quadratics and we're wanting to find, say, where they intersect the x-axis or the minimums or maximums, I highly recommend that what you should be doing is just graphing. So when you go to this, you're graphing, and if you want to graph the function, you have to press the tab button. So let's just graph a function. Let's say 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. So I've got a function here. There it is, lovely little function. Suppose you had to find the minimum point or the x-intercepts. What you're going to be doing is you're always going to go to menu, and then you're going to be analyzing the graph. And here you go, you've got the zeros, you've got the minimum, the maximum, and the intersection. The zeros tells you where it intersects the x-axis. The minimums is the lowest point, the maximums the highest point relatively, and the intersection is if you've got two functions where they intersect. So let's just look at one of them. If you want to find the zero, well, it says lower bound in the bottom left-hand corner. What that means is if you go to the left of where you think it intersects the x-axis and you click on it, then it says upper bound. Well, now if you go to the right of where you think it intersects the x-axis and you click on it again, it gives you the point. So the point is -2, 0. So that's where it intersects the x-axis. If you're trying to find, let's say, the minimum, so the minimum point, once again, it's the same thing. It says lower bound, so I just have to go to the left of where I think the minimum is, and then go to the right of where I think the minimum is. Here's the minimum point. It's at -0.75 for the x value and -3.13 for the y value. Sometimes your function is not easy to see. Perhaps maybe the function is below the graph or below your window, or it's outside the range. What you need to do is go to menu, and here it allows you to change the settings. So you could change it to a minimum of -100 and 100. So let's see what this one does. And it just changes your x values from -100 to 100. If you don't like that and you want to return back to your normal standard mode, well, then you just go to standard and you're back to this again. Once you've completed the question, if you have to do another question, you want to get rid of this information, go to menu, go to actions, and then delete all. And yes, I want to delete it, and now I've got a clear screen again. So if you, let's just try one more. Let's say we want to graph x squared. And then you've got another function. Let's say it's tab 2x. And we can see it's intersecting here and it's intersecting here. Well, once again, menu. We're going to analyze the graph. Find where it intersects between here and here. It's the same as before, and you can see it intersects at 2, 4. Hope that helps. Have a good day.